So, what have you done with these then? What shoe is it?
Church. Don't know what model.
Churches.
Mozart.
Mozart, okay. And what have you done with them? You've put a new Commando sole on.
Commando sole, and the gentleman wanted a red midsole. So I've taken some red ladies heel sheeting.
Made a red. Oh man, that is so.
Like that.
Yep.
And put some of that on, thinned it down, created a red midsole.
So it's had a full rebuild.
And the chap didn't want any red stitching on the top, which I'd have liked to have done. So put him discreetly on the bottom.
So red stitching on the bottom. Yep. Super nice. I'll get some pictures of that now.
It's a really narrow shoe, so I've had to trim the tread pattern down.
Yep. Looks beautiful. Really, really nice. So, I just ask though, as people are asking, why don't you paint that part?
I don't like to see it painted.
You don't like to see it painted?
It's
Why?
just my personal preference. If the customer wants it doing, I'll gladly do it. No
I'm
problem,
going to paint this one black.
Well, you crack on, but I think it just looks
what people? I know, and it's what we've always done. We've never painted. We've never painted the breast of the heel. So this is called. This is the waist across here, this area here, and then this is the breast of the heel in there. And we've never normally bothered painting that, but I'm going to paint these right now. So it can't be, I've got a sweetie, a cough sweetie in my mouth, but it can't be for any reason, because all it takes is that. But for some reason, and that's
like to see it.
Well, customers like to see it. They
Well,
think
they're
it's...
going to have to specify they want the inside of the heel.
Yeah, the
painted.
waist, yeah. Sorry, the breast of the heel, yeah. But that's all it takes. But I know, traditionally, we've never done it. So it's just as it would be, you know. It might even... but look at that, there'll be customers going, oh no, that looks beautiful. That looks all finished now. Why would you not do it? Why would you, why do I have to bother specifying? Just do it, because the majority of customers would want to see it. It's traditionally not done, and I don't know why. I think back in the day when you had a pile of shoes to do, a huge pile of shoes to do, and you would just ink the shoe up, get it done, get it out, knowing full well that shoe was coming back to be repaired in 4 or 5 months, because everybody used to get the shoes repaired. So you just wouldn't do it on a commercial repair. But nowadays maybe we should do it. But like Paul says, it's just the way we've done it. We've always done it. I'm sorry if it offends anyone.
Maybe in the next 40 years somebody might ask for it doing.
Yeah, they might do.
They haven't it last.
Yeah, okay. Fabulous. Right, so here's the triggers that have been sorted out. Look at those. Look inside there. Triggers. And if we just go in there and pull this out of there, that is taking up half a size in these triggers. Now I've left it loose for our customer just to be able to try that and see how that feels. So I've left that loose. That goes in there like that. If he says that's great, we will just bomb that in there. There you go. That's the in there like that and sorted. Okay, just a little video just for your information while we're tagging on. These are the triggers that have had the new insoles in to take up half a size, and look, as you look inside there, you can't tell. That's gone down half a size now. Chat's bought these online. You can see how they've been pulled tight in, and the stitching is really far back, like when you look down you can't see the stitching. So we're thinking an absolute bargain. If you're gonna have a look on eBay and you see something like this, brilliant, absolutely fabulous. We can't. But as you look around these shoes, you start to see certain things that we don't normally see. And one is a few vein marks. So that there is a vein mark. Can you just see that line across there? Now this shoe has got some scuff marks on it, but there's a definite difference, a vein mark. And I'm no expert on the upper leather. That's just, we were just always called, my father always called them vein marks. And you pull the leather taut and it disappears, and then you let it slack again, and that vein mark reappears. And there's another one there. Look, just along that edge there. Look, what we call a vein mark, and pull it taut, it disappears. It's not a mark in the leather, it's actually a fault in the leather. And well, you know, it'll be fine. And for this chap probably paid for them, it's absolutely fine. But we just don't normally see that on a pair of trickers. And yeah, if we just start looking around these, and of course you'll always find a fault or two on a shoe, something that's not 100% perfect. But you know, generally, whatever he's paid for these, they're an absolute bargain, and they're beautiful shoes. They really are. And you know, this buying them second hand, it's a bit of character. Yeah, beautiful shoes, really good.